Hello there. A very warm welcome to our cybersecurity training for employees.
Lesson 9, Insider Threat. Let's begin this journey together.
Hey, what is going on here?
It looks like a conference call.
It seems like we are going to have an interesting discussion here.
That's right. As a matter of fact, let this be a sharing session. Let's share the security incidents you have encountered. I guess we can all learn from mistakes, if any.
Cool. Here is one. There was a case where a classified email containing privileged information was sent to an unauthorized external party. This could have been prevented if the employee had carefully reviewed the to and CC recipient lists before sending the email.
Oh gosh. Let me share one. One of our vendors' email accounts was compromised, resulting in a payment being made to a fraudulent account. This could have been prevented by conducting verification checks for any changes to the vendor's bank account information.
The sharing is real and valuable. We all learn and grow together to create a safer environment. Cyber criminals can access your organization through you in 3 ways: phishing, visiting malicious websites, and exploiting zero-day vulnerabilities. Please refer to your company's security policy and adopt best practices to protect your organization's assets. We hope you found this training valuable. Thank you for watching.